guys, I'm back to do a little tutorial on the 3-speed on the column, also known as the 3 on the tree. So I got my trusty 72 Chevy pickup here, and we're gonna go through how this all happens. So statically, here we go. So we're in neutral here. You pull in and down, that is first gear. Up to neutral and away from you is second, and then straight down is third. Okay, so back up to neutral, so it's 1, 2, 3, and then reverse is when you're in neutral, reverse is straight up like this. But put it back in neutral. I made this little diagram right here that kind of shows you exactly what's going on. Reverse, first, second, third. If you look at it on the column, that's the way it looks. If you transpose it and you put it on the floor, what you have is you have reverse, first, second, third, kind of like a regular floor shift on a 3-speed floor shift. So we're going to fire up the truck and we'll go for a ride, and we'll show you how this happens. Okay, so here we go. So in and to you, we're in first gear. Get rolling a little bit. So now we're in first gear. We're going to pull out of the driveway here. Our next shift is going to be up and pushing away from you to second gear. So here we go. This, look. So here we go. This first. This second. Third. Not a lot of shifting with these 3-speed on the column. Engines tend to have a lot of bottom end in these trucks, so it's not really a high rever. You don't really have to do a lot of upshifting and downshifting. It's a lot of space between the gears. So when you want to downshift, I'm just going to slow it down a little bit here. I'm going to push the clutch in. I'm going to push away from me and straight up. That puts me in second gear. Okay, when I want to slow down to a stop, you know, same deal. You're in second, push the clutch in, pull it down into neutral, pull it close to you like this, boom, you're in first gear. So then you take off again, is first, up and away, second, and then down, third. That's all there is to it. You've mastered the 3 on the tree.